We're just going to start an experiment on how antibodies affect blood typing. So I just started with placing a drop of synthetic blood sample number 1 in each well of the blood typing slide. So I'm just going to add a synthetic anti-A to the well label A. Since I'm done with that, now I'm going to add a drop of synthetic anti-B to the well labeled B. Okay, so now since I've done both the steps, I'm going to add a drop of synthetic anti-RH, which means additional factor, and to the label RH, right here. Since I'm done with all the 3 steps needed, I'm going to now mix these gently. Since I gently stirred the other blood sample 1, I put it aside and recorded the reactions. Now I'm going to begin with sample number 2. And this is a drop of synthetic blood sample number 2 in each well of the blood typing cell. And now I'm going to add a drop of synthetic anti-A again to the labeled A part. And to repeat what I did similar, I'm going to add synthetic anti-B serum to the well labeled B. And to do the same thing exactly what I did before, I'm going to add anti-RH serum to the well labeled RH, which is for the additional factor. And since I'm done doing this, I'm going to mix it again gently for 30 seconds to record the reactions. For sample 2, when we started stirring the blood sample for 30 seconds to see the reaction, we recorded it, and now we're doing the sample 3. So we're going to repeat the same steps as for A, B, and RH factor. So let's begin with dropping anti-A serum to the well labeled A, which is exactly 1 drop. Now we do it for labeled B well, and now we do the one anti-B. And for last step, we put the RH factor, and then which is anti-RH serum, to the RH well labeled thing. So now we will again stir it for 30 seconds and record the reactions. Since we were done with the previous one and we stirred that gently for 30 seconds, I'm doing blood sample number 3. And now I'll add anti-A serum to the A labeled column. Since I'm done, the next step is to add anti-B serum to the B labeled well. And for the last step, I need to add the anti-RH serum for the additional column, which is the RH column. Since we're done this, now we have to stir this for 30 seconds and see the reaction recorded. Since we're done our trial 1, which was for sample 1, 2, 3, and 4, and recorded the results in this chart, we will repeat the steps for trial 2 and 3. And after this, that will be the end to our experiment. Thank you.